She's not opening it. Christy,
huh?
She's not opening it.
I know. She'll get there. Yeah.
I can't get that wide of an angle on this little
Wait,
camera.
Haley. Come here, Kira. Come on. You open it? Hold on it. Hold on it. No, Booty, you open yours.
Lillian, get up there and open yours.
Maybe. Let me help you. Go. Look, baby. Come here. What is that? What is that? 19 sleepover puppy.
That's not pizza.
Open it. Alright, tear it up. Tear it, tear it. Okay. Flip it over. And she take the box.
The knife's on my keychain. Yeah.
Huh?
The knife's on my keychain, which is in the bedroom.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Who's that? It is very cool.
Very cool mine.
Is that Dora? Look, it's got a handle and wheels. You can turn around, put it down. It's a backpack. Backpack.
Got it backwards. Oh, put it on her.
Here. Put it on. This way. Backpack.
All right.
Okay, Haley.
Let's get Haley used for him so I can get that out of the way.
There's a backpack. Take mine too. Yeah. It's nice.
What brand is that? Oh, cool.
Very
Good
nice.
stuff.
That's cool. All right, Lillian, you want another present? I do. Here, sit down. You open another present?
Hold on, Haley. Let's get these out of the way. Yeah, hurry it up. Why'd you take the backpack though?
To open another present. All right, tear it. Tear it, tear it. Tear it, tear it. All right. Yeah, that's okay. Tape is fine. You got tape. Wow, look at that. That's a pretty shirt and pants.
All right, Haley.
It is pretty. Yep, pretty.
More clothes, huh?
No, wait, that's Kira's. These are Kira's clothes. Pretty clothes, huh? Look at that sweater. That's gorgeous. Pull it up and out.
Well, that's the stuff you're supposed to be wearing now instead of tank tops and sandals in the middle of
that's
December.
A very nice sweater. Very nice. Another pair of jeans. Exactly what you need. Orange shirt. Now, that's a scarf. Cool. It goes with the sweater. Another nice pair of jeans. Oh yeah. Here, Kira. Come here, baby. You want to open this? Come here, baby. No, Lillian, that's Kira's. You wait. Yeah, that's your backpack. Come here, baby. Want to open a present? Come, open. Pull. Pull.
Max, shut up.
forward. Pull it here. Pull. Pull it. Alright. Got it? Yeah, you got a very cool backpack, don't you, Booty?
Wheels are on the back of it, Lillian. Flip it over.
Pretty. Look. That's pretty, huh? You can still be so cute. Look how pretty that is. Alright, Lillian, you got one more. Another present? Here you go, Lillian. Open it.
Kara.
Alright. I think I stepped on her hand. It's alright.
Be careful. Come on, open it up, Lillian.
Open the present.
Oh, the attitude.
Hold on to it.
Okay, this is heavy.
And this is your undershirt for the day. You got it? What's in there? Oh, aren't those adorable? Look at that.
There's little boots. Oh, suede. They look leather.
They are.
Awesome.
I don't know. It's kind of fabricy feel.
That's suede.
Yeah. Really nice.
They're very
boots,
good
huh?
imitation. One or the other.
They are boots.
Yeah, Booty's boots.
Booty's boots. All right. You want one? All right, here.
Just trying to put them on. All right.
Here.
Gotta tape it big.
Oh, that's not close.
Yay! No clothes. Sweet.
You didn't think you were getting that. Kept asking for it, and nobody got it.
You got a boot.
Leather.
Get the other boot on.
Those are Earth model.
Here's that one more present to open, but Lillian wants to put her boots on.
Crystal.
Of course she does.
I got another thing to sign.
Say woo.
Another thing.
I got a telescope.
Oh yeah, a telescope. That
I
wasn't
do
the science
too.
bit.
There you go, buddy.
Yeah.
Got it?
No more clothes.
Over there so now you can see your
Now,
boots.
you needed clothes.
Yeah, you did. A lot.
You had absolutely no idea how to dress.
Kira. Watch out, buddy. You're going to fall down. They're just a little bit big, but she'll grow into them.
Is that the last one?
This is the last one.
Cool. If we keep this video under 10 minutes, I won't have to split it to get it on YouTube.
I got 4 presents, Rudy.
Hair out of her.
Yeah, there's this just an impossible task right there. Pull. Pull. You got it. Pull.
Oh, baby. Thank
Pretty
you.
long, little one.
Pull. More interested in the paper.
Of course she is. Yep, your backpack.
We've got backpacks and nice clothes and really cool boots. Very cool. Yeah. I can't open. Oh, goodness. Oh, pretty. That's a nice shirt thing. It's like a 2-layer sweater over a shirt and a nice pair of jeans. Is exactly what you need, huh? You need more clothes. Grow too fast.
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, and,
Thank you.
and
Say thank
Stephanie and Jonathan.
Say thank you, everybody.
Lillian.
Thank you.